This is a very very tiny fish. Best number one for frying. His name is Sanichan. Just catching from this river. Throw the net, it go round, and take it back. You get like this. He already got that much. Yeah, so many. And we got here catfish.